Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, this is the Foggy Bottom Kabuki report for January 18th in the year of perfect vision. Nothing much happened today. It's, just as much drama as trying to cast a Star Trek movie, make a Star Wars movie that doesn't suck. Get the ambulance, the javelin catchers who live around you to stop being stupid and screwing up your life. Yeah, well, that much drama. Even though they weren't shooting the Kabuki show today. Like I said, trying to cast a Star Trek movie, trying to make a Star Wars movie that doesn't suck, And getting the javelin catchers to not screw up your life. All wrapped together, that's less drama than the Kabuki show had today. I mean, people are pointing their fingers at each side and all that, saying, "Perv! Crook! Retards!" We got tomorrow off, then Monday. More Kabuki show. I mean, it's coming to prime time rapidly. Yeah. I can hardly wait to see how outrageous the Kabuki show will be. Yes, I am. I'm going to go now. Good night.